Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Black Shark Pad 7 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with finding and opening the settings. And here we need to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll all the way down to find more security and privacy. Scroll down again and find encryption and credentials. And here tap on clear credentials. Clear credentials. Tap on OK. And not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.